Good morning children, I am Mubina Inamdar. In today's video, I am presenting Social Studies for Class 5 on lesson Climate. Children, in our previous class, we learned weather, climate and difference between weather and climate. Also, we learned the factors influencing the climate. There are mainly 5 factors. To influencing the climate. First one is distance from the equator, distance from the sea, height above sea level, amount of moisture, direction of winds. In this we learn first the distance of the place from the equator. In this we learn the torrid zone and temperate zone and freeze zone. Today we are going to learn the distance of the place from the sea. The distance of the place from the sea. You have learned that land heats up much faster than the water in the sea during the day. Due to this, the air over the land gets warm and rises. The air above the sea is, however, cooler. The cooler air rushes to take the place of warm air rising up over the land. This air coming in from the sea is called sea breeze. It helps to cool down places along the coast. Children, near the sea, the climate will be very mild due to the reason of water gets heated up and cools down very slowly when you compare to land. The water gets heated up and cools down very slowly. So the air over the land gets warm and rises. And the air above the sea is cooler. That is the reason during the summer cooler air rushes to take the place of warm air. Rising up over the land. The air coming from the sea to the land is called sea breeze. The air coming from the sea to the land is called sea breeze. At night, however, the sea cools slowly while the land cools quickly. The warm air over the sea rises, drawing in the cool air from the land. The air coming in from the land is called land breeze. At night, the sea cools slowly because the water has the property of heating up and cooling down very slowly when you compare to the land. So, sea cools slowly while the land cools quickly. And sea cools slowly. So, the warm air over the sea rises up and the cool air from the land coming in from the land is called land breeze. The cool air from the land coming from the land is called land breeze. This cycle of land and sea breeze occurs every day. It happens every day. So, due to this influence factor, the areas near the sea never gets too hot compared to the areas away from the sea. It is due to the reason that Chennai, though located closer to the equator, is cooler than Delhi, which is away from the equator. Delhi is away from the equator and Chennai is closer to equator, so it is never gets hot as compared to Delhi. So our next influencing factor is the height of the place above sea level. The higher you go, the cooler it gets. Places at sea level are warmer than those at high latitudes. This is why a city like Mumbai, which is at sea level, has a hotter climate than a hill station like Darjeeling, which is at a high latitude. Hill stations are cool even in summer. The temperature is very low on the peaks of mountains, and hence you find them covered with snow, especially in winter. Altitude means height. When we are going to higher places, temperature will be decreased. When we going to higher places, temperature will be decreased. The higher we go, the lesser the temperature will be. When we go to hill station of mountain areas, the temperature will be decreasing. Children, that is the reason why the most of your parents will plan for hill stations during the summer vacations, because to beat the heat, so that on the peaks the temperature level is very low. That's why in winter season the mountains are specially covered with snow. So next one is the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. The amount of moisture in the atmosphere. The presence of moisture or water vapor in the air is known as humidity. The humidity increases when there is more water vapor in the air. Winds blowing over the sea collect moisture and make the climate in the coastal areas humid. It is because of humidity that a hot place feels even hotter. Coastal cities such as Mumbai, Kolkata, Kochi and Chennai have very high humidity and hence feel hotter in summer. Humidity is another important factor of affecting climate. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Humidity is amount of water vapor in the air. The places which have more humidity, those are experience sticky, hot and sweaty feelings. The area which have more humidity, those area experience sticky, hot and sweaty feelings. The areas which have very less or very low humidity, those area experience our skin feels dryness and leaves become dry. Near the sea, humidity is more when you compare to the inner lands. When you compare to the inner lands, the area near the sea have more humidity. Coastal areas such as Mumbai, Kolkata, Kochi, Chennai are having very high humidity and hence they feel hotter in summers. Next one is the direction of winds. The wind affects the temperature and humidity of the place through which it blows. The wind blowing from the sea is cool and laden with moisture, while the wind blowing from a hot desert is hot and dry. The extremely hot and dry wind that blows over the genetic plains in summer is called low. Children, tell me, what is wind? The motion of air is called wind. The motion of air is called wind. Near the sea, the air blows with the heavy moisture. Near the sea, the air blows with heavy moisture as compared to the wind in the desert are very hot. As compared to desert, in where desert is very hot and dry. Hot and dry Hence, the winds also affect the climate of the place. So, the wind's direction also affect the climate of place. Children, we learned the 5 factors of influencing the climates. Influencing climate. Last one, the extremely hot and dry wind that blows over the Gangetic plains in summer is called Lu. Extremely hot and dry winds that blows over the Gangetic plains in summer is called Lu. Children, our today's homework is define sea breeze, define land breeze, define humidity, define Lu, and define wind. Take a screenshot, otherwise write down and write these questions answers in your SST notebook and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.